In this update, the ink supply system has been redesigned to use a peristaltic pump for circulating ink and generating negative pressure. A pulse buffer has been added to ensure a constant ink pressure. The PCB is provided by JLCPCB, the sponsor of this video. The driver board has been redesigned with updated power supply design, optimized PCB layout, and integrated USB protocol for accurate data transmission. You can visit jlcpcb.com, click Order Now, and upload your Gerber files to place an order. Testing with a logic analyzer shows no signal crosstalk, and each signal is very clean. In terms of materials, the resin formula has been redesigned, greatly improving both curing speed and viscosity. Before printing, the heating and ink circulation functions must be started. Once the resin is fully heated and the viscosity is reduced to a level suitable for spraying, printing can begin. I'm using the Klipper system for development, so the operation is no different from that of a regular FDM 3D printer. Here are some of the print results I kept from material testing. First, the print from the last video shows noticeable elephant foot and some edge tilting. Then I tested other formulas, and the results indicated that the red pigment I had lazily kept before seemed to affect the curing process. So, I cleaned off the residual pigment ink and increased the ink viscosity. This print result had issues due to excessive ink viscosity, causing clogging and printing of some burr-like structures. This result had the right viscosity, but the top structure had significant waviness. I suspect this was due to excessive spray thickness, so I reduced the spray voltage. This is the latest print result, which completely solves the elephant foot problem. The edges are now vertical, and the top is relatively flat. I thought I might be able to print more complex models, so I found a bare model online. Since my slicing software is still not finished, I temporarily used Chita software to generate the sliced image. Then, I used my custom image processing tool to convert and compress the image into print data.